I think they have a better range than the competition for sure, because of the adjustability, and Freedom Rail's a big deal. We're seeing a lot of that. That's really helped us grow our business. And it's an upgrade shelf. So typically we were putting white wire in all those products. And that's really added value to a project. So the next project they do, hey, we want Freedom Rail.
As opposed to some of the other products that I've used that are comparable, it's more durable in my opinion. Some of the others that we were dealing with had sort of a rubbery coating to it, made it harder to handle.
Different product lines, the timelessness of Classica, the versatility of Freedom Rail, market-leading ventilated shelving of Lifetime, and the value pricing of ShelfTech gives us all kinds of versatility in the marketplace.
Again, once we get that Freedom Rail and Lifetime in those builders' houses, we create some loyalty because the competition does not have those products. So that's been a big thing for us. Everybody else had wire and melamine. And now we got those products in the middle that we didn't have before. And now when we get our customers buying those, we're the OL guy in town, and that's where they have to come to get it.